If you're attempting to tabulate date data, you might run into something that is extremely misleading. In column B, we're adding up hours worked on a project across various programs, and we want to get a quick total here. So a likely way to do this is to use the AutoSum capability available on the Home tab or on the Formulas tab. Here it is on the Home tab, upper right corner. Simply click AutoSum once. It looks like it's about to add these. That's good. Click it again. There we go. And of course, we would be disappointed here at the answers. This is not 3 hours and 38 minutes, obviously. Interestingly enough, if you highlight the cells in question and look in the status bar, the information we're getting down here is correct. It's 27 hours and 38 minutes. And yet our display is only showing 3 hours and 38 minutes. Quick math in your head says, well, it's 24 hours off. That's a magic number when we're talking about times of day and so on. But what happened here and what's the remedy? If you are tabulating times and the amounts exceed 24, you will get, in effect, the remainder of 24 or the remainder over 48 or the remainder over multiples of 24. Quick fix here. Right-click, Format Cells. And in the Format Cells dialog box, in the category of time, this is where we'd be looking, the format that we want isn't obvious until we actually see it. It's going to be right here. 27 hours and 38 minutes. But notice that the display here does include seconds as well, and you might not want that. So from here, what we could do is simply jump over into Custom and see how that's being displayed. And in this case, strip off the @ sign and the SS for seconds. An H within brackets means that this will handle hours over 24. Now, that's certainly not an intuitive idea, but that's how it does work, and this is the change that you have to make here. And I somehow wish they would make this automatic because it does throw people a lot, although eventually you can sort of figure it out, but it will take some time. Click OK, and now we have a display that makes some sense. So anytime you're tabulating hours, if there's any possibility that they're going to exceed 24, you want to change the format of cells to include the capability to handle those kinds of calculations.